The harmful effects of tobacco smoke extend far beyond immediate health risks. Prolonged exposure can cause irreversible damage to the lungs.
Tobacco smoke is actually made up of thousands of chemicals, and all these chemicals they lead to significant changes in the lung. At least 70 of them are known carcinogens. That means they are known to cause cancers in if they are actually a prolonged exposure to these chemicals like nicotine, coal tar, carbon monoxide, ammonia, lead, to name a few. So all these lead to the permanent destruction and subsequently lead to the transformation of the normal lung cells into the cancer cells. Apart from that, smoking also leads to significant irritation and the inflammation of the lung tissue. And all these again lead to the patient being prone to infection, and this inflammation leads to the lung destruction and subsequently leads to cancer.
Quitting smoking greatly reduces the risk of lung cancer over time, bringing significant health benefits.
Quitting smoking reduces significantly the risk of lung cancer subsequently, and this risk reduction ranges from anywhere between 20 to as high as 90%. So, if a patient or a person has quit smoking for more than 15 years, that such a person who has a complete abstinence may have 80% reduction in their risk of developing lung cancer. Apart from that, we have seen that the case control studies have shown for the person who has quit smoking for at least 5 years, we seeing the changes in the lung tissue, and the patient will have the subsequent reduction in lung cancer risk. Apart from that, what one thing which is important to note is that the person who has actually history of smoking will never have a zero risk of lung cancer, and their risk of lung cancer will still remain higher than those who are never smokers even after the prolonged duration of complete abstinence.
Smoking is a major cause of lung cancer, contributing to 90% of cases. Quitting smoking is the key to reducing this risk significantly.
We have seen that smoking significantly leads to the increased risk of lung cancer. Lung cancer is one of the primary causes of cancer worldwide and the leading cause of cancer related mortality. And smoking is the primary risk factor for lung cancer. That means 90% of the patients of lung cancer have history of smoking, and this cancer is related to smoking. This shows the importance of quitting smoking. The earlier we realize this and earlier we quit smoking, the prolonged duration, like we have discussed, the prolonged duration of quitting smoking will significantly reduce the risk, your risk of lung cancer. So the time is now to quit smoking. Even if we are unable to quit smoking completely, the studies have shown that if we decrease our number of cigarettes smoked per day, the duration of smoking, then also we can reduce our chances of developing lung cancer later.